Hello, here's NBK-Design, and I like to show you my newest collection, Precious, and this is an unpacking videos in which I only show you what's included in each of the pack. So I try to be fast. I will not explain anything how to do, because all of those videos will be coming later, if you join my YouTube channel, you're never gonna miss any of those upcoming videos. Okay, here we go. The first folder is the artsy bits and pieces. It includes different kind of artsy bits, gesso, paint, and some splatters, and everything is included, and you get 30 elements with that pack. The second artsy bits and pieces is, like always, a more 3D orientated. Lots of flowers, lots of flowers, and always you get a shadow version. And then we have also on some leaves, I have an extra version with paint and gesso vintage styles. Some can see here gold is very in that kit. We have here some magnolia and frames, some screw and staple and washi tapes in this artsy bits and pieces number 2 pack. Then we have the art graphic loops. It's 6 different art graphics. Use them in the background, place and photo over it, or then we have the different loops here, and everything comes with an ABR file. The next pack is the blending masks. You get 7 of them this time. Flourish and a lot of scripts, grungy. This is what this set is created. Then we have another pack of magic lights, hearts. Well, it's Valentine's Day, so I'm sure you have some nice pictures. And then we have here bursts and bouquet effects. 20 magic lights are in those in this kind of collection. Then we have the out of the box frames, layered PSD files. Always clip the same photo on the masks in the back and the foreground, and you get one of these effects like you can see in the preview. Next pack is the solid pack papers, and I have here 1 PNG file that's included, and it's like a doily overlay. Okay, this is the solid paper pack, and then we have the vintage gesso pack, heavily filled with texture, with gesso, with paint, with doilies, with gold, lush colors, and some flowers. Love to create them always, and I think forever. Script here, so perfect to clip or use them how they are. Then we have another set with a lot of white space, colorful but with a lot of white and a lot of texture, real canvas texture on top of them. When you zoom in on the 100%, you can see you have this canvas texture on each of the papers here. And I have a little bit of heart for the Valentine's feeling in this kit, and here is a little bit of gold. And yes, this is the watercolor paper pack. Then we go into the Treasuries Swirls. They come in PNG files, and as an ABR file for the brush lovers. Look at that one. Use them with styles. Drag and drop them and on your canvas, and clip papers, the gesso papers on them, and you can change the look of them in so many ways. Okay, these are the Treasuries Swirls, and then we have the word arts. Then the theme we have here: love, Valentine's Day, life, precious, wonderful. So, and everything, like always, you get an ABR file for the brush lovers. And the next pack is we have the templates now in this collection. We have here the clean, easy to use and simple created 12 by 12 storyboard templates. And then we have the same one in letter size. Perfectly coordinate with the storybook. The storybook come always in here with turned off layers. Please open them in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements and go to your layers. Click on the first layer, click on it. When they turn off, click on top, hold your mouse and slide down over the eye, and then everything is turned on. This is the storybook template. You can see them here, everything. You get double pages, easy to use, fast to use, and you get a 12-pager for 1 month, which is, I am sure that you can create with that templates in 1 evening, 1 month, and you are done. Okay, then we have the weekly templates. We have the extra pack here. Those are the templates, 4 weekly templates, and then we have 5 different extra ones which are only available in the bundle and not as single packs. These are then we going to the Tackets. They are available in 3 different languages: German, English, and French. Contains Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then we have numbers. And then we have the month February, like that. That's now the German version here. And we can go to the English version shortly. February, and everything coordinates, so you can be sure if you use them with the storyboard letter templates, they work perfectly, or the storybook. You can add also here on the templates those tags, and you can be sure that everything looks the same way and fits together. These are the Tacket packs. Then we go to the Painter's Toolbox. Let's go to the brush mix. The brush mix contains 30 different black PNG files with patterned stripes, stars, dots, circles, hearts, and all the shapes come as a brush mix ABR file as well. Perfectly to combine with styles, or you can clip on them images or any patterned papers like the vintage gesso papers. And we have the free color pack, like always, like I have in each collection. You can download that for free in at the Scrap shop. Color swatches, you can load them in Photoshop or in Photoshop Elements. And then we have the styles to color elements, word arts, or whatever you want. And then to recolor, you can only overlay a color on artsy bits, for example, or on any images. How to use that all, I will do another video to go here more in detail. Flourish drips, different dripped flourishes. I really liked to create them on Photoshop, and they also come. There are 28 different drips or elements, and also I attached you one ABR file with all the drips. And then here we have the styles. With it you can create any, let's see what you can do with that. You can use them here on top of those strips. These are the Flourish strips. Then we have the spray brushes. The spray brushes was created for Astrid Annika, one of my CT girls. She wanted them, and I checked my stash and found them, and here they are. Well, we have those splatters, those spray brushes. They can be used everywhere. You can use them with styles and in different ways. Okay, there are you get 18 different spray brushes here as PNG files. Next pack is the Gesso paint. As the Gesso paint is here in white, gray, pink, different shapes of pink, red, purple, the gold, and an orange. So you get 10 different colored gesso paint styles here. You can see in the background, if you use them with watercolor blenders, they blend perfectly, and you can create some paintings with that. Okay, then the next pack is the glitter pack. You get 9 different glitters, and I added also scattered brushes, and here we go. Well, I'm now in CS6 version here, that just opened here, and which is not bad, because you can see that it not only opens in Photoshop CC 2018. Oh, I have really too much open at the moment. You can see them here. Let's play around. Well, that works not if you not have it on an extra layer. And these are the styles here. Especially the colored one is really neat. Then we have the vintage styles. They are seamless, and they work better on smaller drag and drop that. Let's see what you can. That one. These are the, and then we have the next pack is the watercolor blenders, and they get an extra video because they are a little bit overwhelming. I tried to explain that short, but it's not possible. Here they are. This is the full set of it. I'm gonna show you one brush here that you can see. Oops. Start a new layer and already color, and here we have some drips. This is the really wonderful set of watercolor blenders. They work perfectly in Photoshop CC 2017, 2018, but if you use older versions, Siri is annoying. It's always the same in each video. If you want to use them in older versions, they will not work as you can see them in Photoshop CC 2018. But we're gonna test that at the moment, and I will let you know what kind of version it will work for you best. Well, best is 2018 CC, and but maybe they work also in, let's see, let's open them shortly, in Photoshop CS6. Here they are. Yes, but they don't have the color. They have the white, you can change the colors here. As you can see, they work also in Photoshop 6 is that. Okay, I think we are through all the folders, and how I said before, I will show you some extra videos using the templates and also using the Painter's Toolbox. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please let me know. Click on the folders into the terms of use folders. There are a lot of links you can click to contact me, to join one of my groups, and I love to get some feedback if you have, and if not, have a happy day. Enjoy. Bye.